Spitwater is a trusted Aussie icon. Its products are built tough, just like the conditions they work in. A wide range of Spitwater pressure cleaners is available in hot or cold water, electric, petrol or diesel, offering a wide range of cleaning solutions. Roylances also stock the VacStorm range of tough commercial vacuums for both wet and dry cleaning options. For the cooler months, there is the popular Jetfire range of LPG and diesel heaters. Available from Roylances Tractor Replacements, Sam Street, Forbes.